Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Panatus channel, and we are learning today how to install OpenCart. Install. Okay, let's begin. Simple to start, easy to run. This system server-side script, HP script, and it is running all screen side, laptop, cell phone, tablet, whatever, and you can see a simple screenshot. That's so our first step, enter the OpenCart site and download OpenCart system here or here, whatever. This is version number, or you can download here if you want. Click here and click download zip. That's so you see that okay. Then we have to where is the it is first install. That's so we click here and extract. This is my web server site here, OpenCart, and test, then OK, and extract file. That's so our files here, and we are OpenCart system here. Nice. Then click address bar and write localhost OpenCart test upload and index PHP, enter. It's forward to you install directory because we are beginning install. That's so we need to new database. I am using phpMyAdmin. Click here and test. I create open test and I am creating again OpenCart test. UTF-8 General G or Unicode G. It is your choice. Great. Okay. And click OpenCart screen. Click continue. This is checking our system, our server for compatible OpenCart, and you see third step, we need these files. Okay. Upload config PHP, admin config PHP. That's so. We are turning here. You can see a sample file and press F2 and delete this part and press enter, and it is okay now, and click admin again, F2, press and delete this part and enter. Okay, we changed the sample config file name and refresh again. It is okay now. Our checklist, okay, nice. Let's go then. Click continue and our MySQL server, localhost, root, port. I don't using OJ test. Okay. Admin, I am using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And email, whatever, or I am using my Gmail. Okay. I am checking all information. Yes, it has all information. Okay. I am not using password, local server. Let's so click continue. Okay. Installation complete. Nice. It is easy. That's so there is a important things. We have to delete installation directory. That's so I am turning folders and upload, click, install and delete it. Yes, nice. Everything okay. We can, I am right click here, open link in new tab and going to administration, admin index PHP. Okay. Username admin, my password 12345 and login. Okay. We have to set up storage folder in the step first login, and we use here, okay, for security reasons. It is very important. And click more. Directory is already one, and we change name, more. Click here. Okay. Success. Easy. Nice, nice. This is our OpenCart system. Okay. Dashboard, catalog, extension, design, sales, customers, marketing, system reports. Is everything okay? And let's see catalog, categories. There is a simple Okay. Sample shopping system. Let's go to our shopping and load index PHP. Okay. This is our store. Nice, nice. It is ready to selling. Add to cart. And why empty? Maybe it is not in stocks. Okay. Add to cart here. We can change the store directory, I think. Our product list here. You can delete all product your store. And categories you can edit here. Products, add and edit here. And other things. Okay. Click Systems Settings. And our store default setup. Your store name, Crazy Panda Toots. Crazy Panda Toots store. All stuff crazy. Crazy stuff. And you can enter your tags for search engine. Meta description is very important. And we are using default template and click store. This is our search engine information and click store name, your store name, store owner, Crazy Panda Tools. And addresses you can see Google code, you can see here map, Google Map, mail, telephone, fax, opening times, and you can set here, you can add company logo here, command here. Nice. Local United Kingdom, or you can change everything, your information. For an example, United States. And you can see region states. California, English, dollar, yes. Okay, local setup here, option. You can change option information here. Every page you can see 10 product. You can change parameter here, okay? Store logo icon here. Mail. You can enter mail setup here. And server information here. Nice. I think everything's okay. Then click save. Waiting localhost. Nice. Everything okay, and refresh this site. You can see Crazy Panda Toots store, all stuff crazy, and Crazy Panda Toots store, all stuff crazy. If you enter logo, we can try logo. Maybe sample we can test it or okay, save images, pictures, sample logo. Come to admin panel, store logo, edit. We can change here all logo and upload pictures, sample logo here. Okay, select here and click here. Okay, and refresh the site. Nice. My company, my slogan. Nice. Currency here. Nice, nice, nice. Thanks for watching, and we continue this tutorial about OpenCart, and we learning everything: setup, adding, editing, and design. All things it looks, and we are going now. Peace out, guys, and please subscribe and support us. You can comment your questions. See you.